person will start watching from that exact time stamp. Have you ever been in a situation where you're arguing with somebody? You're giving this person facts, statistics, and the person is saying, show me, and then you now stumble on that video. But the problem now is that the video is 2 hours long, but that exact thing you want to show the person started from 59 minutes. Or you're arguing with somebody, your friend, your partner, or whatever, and you now want to prove the person is wrong by sharing something that your pastor has said about that same issue. You now go to the video, but the problem is the video is 3 hours long, and your pastor said that exact thing from like 2 hours 30 minutes. But you know what YouTube said? Hold my coffee, I know what you want, and I'm gonna give it to you. I will be showing you how you can send a link to a video, a YouTube link or a YouTube video link, to show you exactly how to send a link to them, but from that exact time that you want the person to watch from. For YouTube Music, you can get this done on both the mobile and the desktop version, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be using the desktop version. Simply go to the song of your choice, go to the timestamp that you'd like to share the music from. On the 3 dots there, click on share. As soon as you click on share, it will show you start at, followed by the exact timestamp. Remember to pause the music at the exact time that you want to share it from before you actually click on the 3 dots. As soon as you enable the box, click on copy, and then you can go ahead to share with your friends. For YouTube videos, simply go to a video of your choice. Ensure you pause your video at the exact time that you want to share the video from. Once you pause your video, you can either right click or share. To use the share function, simply click on share, enable the timestamp button, and copy the link. Use the right click function, simply right click and click on copy video URL at current time. Go ahead and share the link that you have copied, and as soon as the person you share it with clicks on the link, it brings them right back to the exact point where you want them to start watching from, just like this. Unfortunately for YouTube videos, this feature is only available on the desktop version, but on YouTube Music, this is available both on the desktop version and the mobile version. Let's see how this feature works on YouTube Music mobile. Of course, you know that you first have to go to the music of your choice, pause it at the exact timestamp that you want to share it from, and then click on the share button. Go on to enable the box that has start at, followed by the timestamp. As soon as you enable the button, click on copy link, and then go ahead, share with your friends or anyone at all that you want to share the music with. As soon as they click on the link, it will bring them to the exact part of the music that you actually want them to listen to, just like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so that when I put videos out, you will be the first to see. And don't forget to share with your other friends or with anybody at all who might find videos like this really helpful. And I will see you in my next video.